What's up, everyone? This is Dr. Webb here. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe. New videos coming every week. You don't want to miss them. Thank you to our sponsors of this video, Skillshare. Skillshare is an online community for learning. It has over 25,000 videos in the fields of technology, business, education, lifestyle. You guys should definitely check them out. The first 500 people to sign up through the link in the description below will get 2 months free. Let's head over to Skillshare and check them out. So if you log into their website, you come upon this screen here, starting at the home in the top left corner here. You can also browse the different courses that they have, and they break it down really nicely into creative, business, technology, and lifestyle. So whatever it is that you're trying to improve or develop or learn more of, and you can click on these links here. And for me, it's mostly in this business, some in the creative with the photography, and also graphic design. But for me, it's more marketing. So a few courses that I'm actually checking out to actually complete here soon is like increasing your social media success. And then there's one on SEO, marketing for websites, how to become an Instagram influencer, and also tells you that how many students or people who have taken this course in the past. They even have one by Gary Vee, who is very well known, very social media kind of guru. They have a course that you can take from this guy about different components of social media and how he became successful. So all of these different courses here, like I said, in technology, if you're trying to write like a personal statement for your medical school or your PA or nursing school, you can click on this link here. And then after the course, you can interact with different people that have taken the course as well and make comments. And all of these people here, 30,000 people have taken this, so you can interact with them. So I haven't seen anything like this out there. I think it's a really good resource to have in your back pocket. And what's really good is that the first 2 months will actually be free for the first 500 people that sign up. So first 500 people, you get 2 months free. They click on the link in the description and it will take you to their website. In this video today, I'm going to talk about something that they don't teach you in medical school. Medical school, for those who don't know, is 4 years filled with lots of information. They say that during those 4 years of medical school that you will learn more than 15,000 new words. That's about 4,000 new words a year. For those who are in college or in high school or about to go to college, they're in college, you take a full semester, which is around 12 to 15 credit hours a semester. In medical school, you're taking 30 to 35, sometimes 40 credit hours a semester. So it's a lot of information to learn in such a short amount of time. They teach you how to be a doctor, what to look out for in terms of life-threatening things, how to perform surgery, how to suture someone's ear back on if it gets ripped off by a car accident or a dog bite. You learn about vaccinations, you learn about death certificates when people die, you learn about how to treat a patient in an ICU. The patient comes in with a heart attack, what medications to give him, what's the best treatment for a patient with arthritis of the hip, or a patient has a meningioma of the brain, how would you resect that, the different parts of the brain, how the kidneys work. You learn about all these crazy things in medical school. But what they don't teach you, or they don't teach us, or didn't teach me, was the business aspects of medicine. That's one thing that I'm starting to look more into now as I'm going into practice and finishing up all my training. How do you run a business? About contracts, how do you review contracts? If you want to start your own private practice, well, how do you do that? I have a video. I just interviewed a plastic surgeon who has his own practice. He's a solo practitioner in his own practice, and he just started, and I'll put it right up here. But they just don't teach you those things. So business and medicine is very complicated, in terms of reimbursement, about insurance, about what you can and cannot do. And most people learn this as you go. So you talk to different people who have been through it before, who have started their own practice, and you sit down with them and you talk to them. And that's where mentors and networking comes in handy. But lots of the things that I have learned about the business aspects of medicine have come from mentors or my superiors who are staff who have been doing this for a number of years, by reading books, watching videos on YouTube, and also taking courses. A couple of different books out there that I recommend in terms of the financial aspects of being a doctor, and I'll put that link right up here. But there are some good financial books out there that I would highly recommend. Even if you're a medical student, even if you're in college, going to medical school, I would recommend reading these books. So that way you can be ahead and know things that I didn't know when I was in your position. There's also a course that I took, Dave Ramsey's Financial Peace University. I took this course with my wife, and it basically changed our way of thinking about money and about how we handle money, and essentially is leading us to the path of becoming debt-free. There is another course out there about the more business aspects of medicine. It's called Beyond the Exam Room. And this course was designed by an orthopedic surgeon who is not practicing medicine anymore due to the fact that she was diagnosed with multiple sclerosis. And she founded this company. It's called Beyond the Exam Room, and they teach you the business aspects of medicine, about finding contracts, about networking, about starting your own practice, about what insurances that you should obtain as soon as you become a resident. Once you graduate medical school, these are things that you should be doing, and these are things that you should get, such as disability insurance. And they just don't teach you that, and you have to find out these things on your own. So she has a lot of different courses and webinars. And for her particular courses, I'll put a link in the description below for the Dave Ramsey, for all the books that I recommend in terms of finance, and also the Beyond the Exam Room. But out of everything that they teach us in medical school, the business aspects, I wish they had more of this. I wish there was courses in medical school, and also maybe even residency, where they teach us kind of the more of the business aspects of medicine. But that's just one of the things that are lacking in the field of medicine. But like I said, most people learn this information as they go through the years. A lot of trial and errors just by talking to people, reading books, and also take courses. This is Dr. Webb. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe. New videos coming every week. You don't want to miss them.